This is a Panasonic model number DMR-ES40V. It does not turn on. So, you have two screws on the side. This screw here, this screw, and two screws on the side. You take and pry up on both sides. And at the front you have to kind of do it at an angle in order to remove. Here's the DVD assembly on your left hand side. Be careful not to touch any of this stuff over here. That's your VHS and your tape. You get it dirty, you'll have poor recording. Okay. What you want to generally do is do an overview of a capacitors. Most capacitors are flat. You'll feel them, they're flat, they're flush. You see any that's got a round head, like these two here, 1000 microfarads, 6.3 volts, those are the two culprits. So if you take this screw, those out, you have to unplug these. This screw down here, once you remove the fan, there's a screw here, there's a screw there, and screw here. Oh, don't bother with that screw. There's a screw down below here, and a screw down below there, and you'll be able to take and remove your DVD assembly. Make a note if there's any cable that you need to remove, do so in a safe fashion. Don't break your DVD player. So change out your 2000 microfarad 6.3 volt capacitors and you should be ready to go. And make sure the fuse ain't blown. That's the first thing you want to check. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Oh, hopefully after you change it, you'll see your VCR working and your DVD thing working. Before it didn't even do that. So let's see here. It says hello. Well, that works. Cool. There you have it. It works after changing your capacitors that you had. This one actually had 3. You may have 2, you may have 3. Just look for the most capacitors. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.